Just listen to the music of the traffic in the city. Linger on the sidewalk where the neon lights are pretty. How can you lose? The lights are much brighter there. You can forget all your troubles, forget all your cares, and go downtown. Things will be great when you're downtown. You'll find a place for sure. Downtown, everything's waiting for you. Don't hang around and let your problems surround you. There are movie shows downtown. Maybe you know some little places to go to where they never close. Downtown, just listen to the rhythm of the gentle bossing over. You'll be dancing with him too before the night is over. Happy again, the lights are much brighter there. You can forget all your troubles, forget all your cares, and go downtown, where all the lights are bright. Downtown, waiting for you tonight. Downtown, you're gonna be alright now. Don't hang around and let your problems surround you. There are movie shows downtown. Maybe you know some little places to go to where they never close. Downtown, and you may find somebody kind to help and understand you. Someone who is just like you and needs a gentle hand to guide them along. So maybe I'll see you there. We can forget all our troubles, forget all our cares, and go downtown. Things will be great when you're downtown. Don't wait a minute for downtown. Everything's waiting for you. Downtown, it's the place to go. Downtown, everybody's going. Downtown, oh, when they need some good food. Downtown, when they wanna have a good time. Downtown, you'll find somebody kind. Downtown, to help and understand you. Downtown, when you wanna have a good time, go downtown. It got to go downtown, where the going is a great, yeah. Downtown,
Hi guys, so my name is Alexis McDavid and I'm the Education and Outreach Officer here at National Museum Jamaica, located in downtown Kingston, a UNESCO creative city. Now, why do you need to come downtown? By the way, why should I even have to say why? Yeah. It's downtown. Downtown is the center, the epicenter of Jamaica. I know people might disagree with that, but
no, I agree.
Right? We have art, we have culture, this is trade, this is history. We have the historic port of Port Royal. We have Victoria Pier, where if anyone knows anything about Windrush, was a very integral part of that story. We have the craft market, we have, guys, everything is downtown. And of course we have the Institute of Jamaica, which has been around since 1889. So it debuted a long time.
Yes. And
the National Museum of Jamaica is one of the divisions. And so we'd love for you to come down here, learn about the rich history and heritage of Jamaica and how it connects to the rest of the world. So big up yourself and one
downtown Kingston. And here's all the artifacts.